First responders from the Houston area also heading to the Hill Country to help with this massive rescue effort.
Reporter Matt Doherty joining us live from downtown Houston with more on that. Matt.
Yeah, those emergency responders from the Houston area region are certainly going to help out in the Hill Country. We heard from Fire Chief Munoz just a short time ago. We're outside of Fire Station 8 in downtown right now. He's telling us that 7 firefighters in total from HFD will be going out to the Hill Country. He's telling us this is going to be an emotional assignment. Houston Fire Department says that 4 firefighters and a fire truck are being sent right now. They're about 2 hours away from San Antonio as we speak. They're waiting for their deployments. The fire chief also says that he doesn't know how long they're going to be there. 3 other firefighters who are with the Texas Task Force 1 are going to College Station right now.
The 3 firefighters that are on Task Force 1, they specialize in search and rescue operations, and they will convene in College Station, but they'll continue to see what the objective and the mission is going to be, and they're trained to handle those missions. So they'll be waiting for deployment and what their mission is going to be upon arrival.
Now, one of the functions that our local firefighters may be doing is helping with providing backup to help with normal calls that'll be going on in the city at the same time as some of these emergency recoveries. It'll be a 24 on, 24-hour off schedule. Those firefighters should be getting their schedules at some point later tonight. So we know that Montgomery County is also going to be sending some of their emergency first responders out there as well. Right now it is an all hands on deck situation across the state of Texas. Lynn and Sherman.
It is indeed. Matt Doherty in downtown Houston. Thank you.